Need to pay your bills conveniently through HSBC Bank? Managing your finances and ensuring timely bill payments is crucial. In this guide, I'll show you how to efficiently pay your bills using HSBC's online banking or mobile app services. To pay bills, log in to your HSBC online banking portal or open the HSBC mobile banking app. Navigate to the Payments or Bill Pay section. You'll typically have options to pay registered billers or make one-time payments. If you're paying a new biller, you'll need to add them by providing their name, account number, and sometimes their bank details. For existing billers, simply select them from your list. Enter the amount you wish to pay and the desired payment date. Finally, review the payment details carefully before confirming the transaction. HSBC often uses a secure authentication method, like an OTP or security device, to authorize payments. Once confirmed, your bill will be processed, saving you time and effort. And there you have it. Paying bills on HSBC Bank is straightforward. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.